this is Maryam from Crochet Treble, and today I want to teach you how to crochet this motif called ROMANY. I used 2 colors of yarns, 3mm crochet hook, scissors, and yarn needle. So let's get started. Make a magic ring to begin and crochet 12 single crochets in it. So I made my 12 single crochets, and now make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Now make 3 chains or 3 single crochets into each other. That equals a double crochet. If you don't know how to do it, watch my video called double crochet, link in description box. Now make 2 chains and make a double crochet in next stitch, and then continue the process. Chain 2, double crochet in next, chain 2, double crochet in next. At the end of the row, make 2 chains and then make a slip stitch in third chain of those 3 chains at the beginning of the row, or third single crochet of those 3 single crochets at the beginning of the row. Cut the yarn, secure and hide it at the back of your work. Attach the other color in one of the spaces between the stitches. Grab the yarn and pull it into the space. I take the short tail and make a chain to secure. Now for the beginning of the row, you can make 3 chains or 3 single crochets into each other. This counts as our first double crochet. And make 3 more double crochets into the same stitch. So we should have 4 double crochets in total. Now pull the loop long. Count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Grab the loop and pull it through. So this is our first popcorn stitch. Now make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then make another popcorn stitch in the next space, which means we should make 4 double crochets, and then pull the loop long, insert our hook in first stitch, and pull through the loop. Then make 4 chains and repeat the process. Subscribe to my channel to support me to create more videos, and write your comments down below. At the end of the row, chain 4 and make a slip stitch in first popcorn stitch. Cut the yarn, secure, and hide it at the back of your work. So this is how it looks like so far. Attach your yarn in one of the spaces between our popcorn stitches. chain 1 to secure, and make 4 single crochets into the same space. Chain 3, and make 4 single crochets into the next chain 4 space. And repeat the process. At the end of the row, make 3 chains and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Cut the yarn, hide and secure it. Attach your yarn into one of the chain 3 spaces. Make 3 chains or 3 single crochets into each other. This counts as our first double crochet. And make 3 more double crochets into the same space and make a popcorn stitch. Insert your hook into the first stitch, which is the third chain of those 3 chains at the beginning of the row, or the third single crochet of those 3 single crochets into each other at the beginning of the row. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And make another popcorn stitch into the same space. Like this. Chain 3 and repeat the process in each space. At the end of the row, chain 3 and slip stitch into the first popcorn stitch. Then cut the yarn, secure and hide it.